To the highlights of the 7-day challenge, a phenomenal challenge to help you jumpstart transformation in your health, in your wealth, and in your business with the tips, tools, and technology to help set you up for success, to create a life and a business you love.
You're going to experience over 20 different lessons across 7 days with tons of bonuses, you guys, from every single angle and starting your relationship with us. You're going to experience in day 1 an assessment, space creator, intro, boutique tech app that helps you get access to studios all around the globe. You're going to get access to a money tool, Mint. You're going to get access and insight into a business planning tool, Live Plan. Access and insight into Meister, a project planning tool, co-working space, and Airbnb coupons as well. So much value, guys, for literally thousands of dollars of worth of value, especially if you start to actually apply it, see the results in your health. Imagine how you're going to feel. See the results in your money. So translation into freedom, peace, sanity, results in your business, and all these bonuses and all these tools. So what are you waiting for? Let's create it.